Good day. My job today is to tell us what Perplexity is all about. Perplexity is a tool that is changing the landscape of AI. What does it do? Basically, is a search engine, and at the same time, it combines the powerful functions of all those chat boxes like ChatGPT, like Microsoft Copilot, Gemini Advanced, and it does a better job because it combines the power of the search engine and is able to give you a conversation well tailored to your request. So let's get started. Let's look at the interface of Perplexity. If you want to access Perplexity, just type perplexity.ai from your web browser, right? This is the interface. We have some unique things about Perplexity. It says where knowledge begins. Exactly. So area of focus, we have about 6 things that you can focus your search on. Is basically a search engine, and it does it in an exceptional way. All right, so if you want to search the web, you can use this as your area of focus. If you want to do some computational work, engineers, you want to really do some calculations, you can click this. If you want to do a research and you want to get your citation and sources, you can use academic. And you want to analyze videos, YouTube videos, you can use this. And also, if you want to write, you want to generate content, you can use this. You want to search for discussions on Reddit or any other community, you can use this. And the good thing about Perplexity is it is free. You can do so much with the free version. Of course, the pro version is here, but let's just focus firstly on the free version. We have the home, we have the discover. So basically, this discover is like a search engine. It tells you what is trending, and you are able to move from here to look all these specialists. Now, the beautiful thing from using Perplexity is the fact that it gives you sources, and from these sources, it combines all the information from these sources and it summarizes it for you. That is what you cannot get with a Google search engine. You cannot get it with a Google search engine. If you ask these questions from Google, it's going to give you tons of loads of documents on the web, and you are even confused. But what this does is it gives you some sources, about 5 sources now because we have 2 more. It summarizes what is inside those sources, and it gives you the implication of artificial intelligence to this professional, to engineers, to architects, to accountants, to IT specialists, data analysts, and it goes ahead to tell you the benefits. Is recreating the question you have asked. Is telling you the benefits of AI to engineers. It can tell you the challenges of implementing this, and what are the most in-demand skills for all these guys. So let's dive into some of these sources where this information came from. We have we go to the next page for artificial intelligence career. So if you want to dive more into those information, what it has done, it has extracted information from this web page and it has given you the answer. So it makes research work very, very interesting. It makes research work very, very interesting. So you can check all this information and you can dive in and get what exactly you want to do. And at the same time, it's even going ahead to give you videos videos of where you can answer some of these questions. It's suggesting videos, YouTube videos for you. This tool has access to the internet and is exceptionally wonderful. I've never come across something like this before. If you really like what I'm doing, I will suggest that you subscribe to this channel so that I can give you more of these wonderful AI tools. My job here is to make sure you have access to these wonderful AI tools that is really changing the way that you work. So briefly, I want to talk about 5 advantages, 5 reasons why Perplexity is better than a lot of other tools that we have outside there. Number 1, the information you get from Perplexity is fast, is clean, is well organized. You can see the way it answers, succinctly given, and it addresses some of the questions you want to ask. It even gives you suggestions. Another thing is it has real-time information. In fact, if I say give me this information in 2024, it's going to rephrase and it's going to give me relevant information. Why? Because it has real-time access to information on the web. It's connected to the web. Unlike ChatGPT, the free version 3.5, you are not connected to the web, but this one has direct access to the web. Number 2 point is the fact that it's aware, its level of awareness is top notch. Its level of awareness is top notch. In fact, I can even go and bring some tweets from the from Twitter, and I put it in here. And before you know it, it gives me a full detail of what is trending on Twitter. I can have full information and I can analyze it here. And what does it do? Another thing it does for us is the fact that it's able to even help us organize requests, organize your research work. Artificial, for instance, I can say how AI is affecting jobs. All right. So